Hey, just a little update on the state of the transplants. So now I've got 6 of the peppers that I put in as seeds started using the Baggie method. Right, they are now up. Right, these first 4 are the first ones that germinated in the container. Right, and then every couple days I had a few more. Right, so these ones are up. These ones have just come up. You can see how they're slightly smaller than the ones next door. Right. This row here, as you can see, just starting to poke up. Right? Over here, I got one here. And these last 2 are, you see there's an E there. This is eggplant. So my first batch of eggplant all got thrown out by my wife or my kid. No one's fessing up to it. I had containers like this sitting on the counter germinating the seeds, and they just threw them out. They didn't know what was in them. They didn't throw the container out. They thought it was just a dirty container with paper towel in it. Anyway, one of them's up so far. I see the soil sort of moved a little bit in the center here, so I expect the other ones will be up soon. Also, what I wanted to show you is that when you have transplants in a window like this, this is a south-facing window. It's a good sunny spot, but it's actually kind of cold at night. So what I did was I put a sock. You could use paper towel or cardboard, or the styrofoam would be ideal. Anyway, I just put a wool sock between the window and the egg thing, or window and the transplant thing. And I also put a wool sock underneath it because I just noticed the sill was a bit cold. And I figured that by doing that, I could get faster growth, warmer soil, that sort of thing. And I have noticed a kind of accelerated rate of development of the seeds since I've made that change. Because it just would have brought the overall temperature up of the soil without using a heater, right? This way the soil gets warm. When it's sunny, the soil is warm, right? So that's sort of the way you want things to be, because that's the way things are in nature, right? Anyway, so I got those up. I got 2 more eggplant here. The rest of these are reserved. I'm going to get some more eggplant in, but then the rest are going to be reserved for tomatoes, which I haven't even started to plant or germinate yet, because I still think it's a bit too early. I like to start those beginning of April. So just a little update on the state of the transplants. Everything's coming along great. I haven't got a lot of room to work with here, but making the best with what I got. So I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and until next time, get it there, get at it, have fun in the garden. Thanks for watching.
Hey folks, if you live in the USA and want to help support the channel, check out the Hudson Valley Seed Company and use my coupon code MARITIME10 to get a 10% discount on whatever you buy. In addition, all seed orders over $35 will get free shipping. They have a great selection of seeds, so maybe give that a try this year, and that'll help support everything I'm doing here. Thanks a lot.